Costa Rica is known for its amazing beaches. They offer so much to do like surfing, horseback riding, wildlife spotting, swimming, water sports, and just lazing around with a drink is just a few ways to spend your time. In this video, we will cover 6 must-see beaches in and around Tamarindo. Playa Flamingo, this tropical beach has crystal blue waters and white sand. When you picture a beach, this is usually the image that comes to mind. Sand here is made from seashells. It's kind of cool. Some activities you can do here are scuba diving, surfing, and just frolicking in the water. This is one of Tamarindo's jewels, and it's about a 20-minute drive from Tamarindo.
What do you like about this beach?
The waves are really big, and the water's really warm. Yeah, the same thing as here.
Playa Langosta. If you're looking for a laid-back atmosphere, this is the beach for you. Beautiful white sand, small hotels, a great beach club where you can soak in the pool all day and rent boogie boards. You can also ride horses and go for long walks. The walk along the beach, so nice. What a nice beach. After a nice 2.5 hours at Dangosta Beach, which is one of the nicest beaches I've ever seen, we get to hang out at this nice restaurant patio on the beach at the Dangosta Beach Club. It's just 2 kilometers south of Tamarindo. Playa Avelinas, or Little Hawaii as it's referred to by the locals. This is a great surfing beach with waves which can reach up to 18 feet. This tranquil, secluded white sand beach has a bar with a 400-kilogram pig that is there to welcome you while you have drinks and food.
See if we can see the new Lolita. Lolita the pig.
Lolita the pig?
It's a big pig that lives here apparently. See if we can find her.
That's me, isn't it? This is also a great beach to play beach sports, like soccer. Playa Grande is miles long of fine pale sand, perfect for long strolls on the beach. This is where the leatherback turtles come to lay their eggs, so if you go at the right time of year, you just might get lucky and see some. It's good to note that this beach is in a protected national park of Los Balos. Playa Potrero is a bay that runs all the way from the southern point in Flamingo up to the northern end of Potrero. What's great about this beach is the water is fairly calm and swimmable.
Water is so warm here, really salty.
Yeah.
Kids love it. Not
so
too strong of waves. 36 degrees today, you can't beat it.
It's a great beach for families.
Not too crowded. A lot of people, but not too crowded.
What do you think for families? Is this a good beach for families or for partiers?
No, it's more families. I think Tamarindo is more partiers.
You can stand up paddleboard, kayak, or even rent sailboats. This is a great beach to chill at and have some drinks and food by the beach. Tamarindo Beach is a long beach with great waves for surfing, horseback riding, wading in the ocean, and strolling along the beach. It's ideal for people who want to learn how to surf and perfect for people who are experienced surfers. Telly reporting, we've got a serious situation happening here. Little kids going out surfing in the morning. What is wrong with people? It's located right in the center of town and is lined with shops and restaurants all along the beach. We're just having a drink with our kids. They allow kids in the bar here, so we're having a good time. If you love sunsets, this is the perfect spot to see one of the most spectacular sunsets we've ever seen. Look at this place. It's like 6 o'clock at night, sun's going down. It's about 30 degrees Celsius. Beautiful view. I don't ever want to leave. What an amazing country. Costa Rica has some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Once you see them, you will always use them as a comparison to other beaches. If you need help planning your trip to Costa Rica, visit our channel or click on one of these wonderful videos. And oh yeah, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that like button for more fun videos.